Hi, welcome to Crafty Crafts at Sky Alice Jessie. My name's Debbie and thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. Always appreciated. Well, today we're going to do a floral puff bow with two colours, combine two ribbons together, so we have two pretty colours. So what you will need obviously is two bits of floral ribbon of your choice and scissors and curling ribbon. And with the floral ribbon you're going to cut it as long as you want. I've put it like 2 arms length, so obviously the more you use the bigger the puff bow will be. So what you would do is get the two ribbons and place one on top of the other, like that. Place it on top of the other and try and keep them together. They will part, but try and keep them together, and then you'll make a circle with both of them. So the circle could be whatever size you want, it depends how big you want the puff bow to be, but I just sort of have it like that, like a fist. And then we're going to start to roll. So we'll start to roll. Make sure you try and keep these two ribbons together. So we're going to roll, you see, keeping the ribbons, place the ribbons together, keep rolling until you get to the end. Try and keep it a bit tight together like so. So we've got a nice circle with both the ribbons together. Then you're going to press them together. Press the ribbons together and then press them again. Press so you've got it looking like that. See? Just press together, then press that way. And then we're going to cut here like a V, but we're going to leave a little bit intact in the middle. So you get a sharp pair of scissors and going to cut one side. Then you're going to cut the other side. And you're going to keep that bit intact. Then you can turn it over. Oops. Try and keep that together. Turn it over. And we're going to just chop it a bit again. So we're going to cut one side, leaving the middle intact. Cut the other side. Cut it that will do. Try and make it a bit neat. So we've got the middle intact. So we've got it like some kind of bow tie. And now we're going to take the curling ribbon. However long you want the curling ribbon is up to you. And we're going to tie it in the middle. Tie it in the middle. So let's just place it here. And we shall just tie it together in the middle. Quite tight really. So let's just hold it down a bit, and let's say going to bring that in, and we're going to tie it. I've got it as a tie. Quite tight once, and then we're going to hold it and we're going to tie it together again. So it's looking, you've got to look like this now. If you've got any spare bit there, you just chop that off. That's absolutely fine. So it's going to look like this, okay? That's how you've got to look. Then you're going to put your hand inside. You're going to get the last bit and you're going to just turn like so. You're going to go to the other side, turn, other side, get the last bit in, give it a good turn. The other side, cross your hands and turn, go to the other side, cross your hands, the other side, cross, keep continuing, the other side, go in here, oops, get in here, cross, get in the last bit, cross, the other bit, last bit, cross. Now we're going to go to the other side and we're going to start to do the same to the other side, the other one there. So we're going to, that's a dud one. If you get a dud one, just, we'll cut it off at the end. So we're going to get the last bit and we're going to turn to the other side. You find the last bit, you're going to turn. You find the last one, you turn across in your hands. Last one, cross my hands. Last bit in here, pull it, cross your hands. Last side, cross. Other side, cross. So you look like this. This got this little one sticking out here. So only little one sticking out. We're going to give it going to cut that because that's not needed. So we're going to cut the inside. So there we are. We've got a lovely puff bow with two colours. This one here, I'm just going to, any loose ones like this, just cut them off. Right to the top. So there you are. We've got these beautiful puff bows. And they've got, we don't need that there, so we're going to chop that off. That's it. So we've got these two beautiful puff bows. So you've got them in two colours. And if you want to do something to the ribbon, you could either hold it open and pull it like that. You could open the scissors, keep it there and pull. If you pull fast, you can pull, or you can pull slow, and then the ribbons will come out different, you see. So there we are. You got your two different colour puff bows. So get two colours that you like. Maybe you can get black and white ribbon, so, and make it into a puff bow. So that would be two nice contrast, black or white, black and white. So like black and, you know, that's a nice contrast. Or you can get two colours of the same, but one, like you can get a light green and a dark green. You can get blue and purple, any colours that you like, but two colours that you like, so that they have a lovely contrast like these. So this is pink and purple, which are my favourite colours. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Any questions, please put it down below, any comments. I love posting every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, between those times. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my channel.